The Media Technology program at A&M Consolidated High School gives students a chance to develop their talent as filmmakers. Let's take a look at the main components that make up this astounding course. A wide variety of film-related knowledge is taught in the Media Technology program. These year-long classes take up 2 class periods each, count as 2 career credits, and allow for PE waiver.
I think the main thing is probably the small classes and the hands-on opportunity they get to use the equipment.
What I've found out with media technology is you can go into different programs and areas. Like, you're not limited to media tech. We're very involved with student council and a lot of different programs around here.
During Media Technology 1, all the basic components of video production, from shot composition to proper lighting, are shown to students. This class also takes part in its own broadcast news production, producing a 25-minute show every other week for the school. These lessons help to create a well-rounded student and prepare them for the next level of the program. In Media Technology 2, the students finally get a chance to show off their ability as filmmakers. Throughout the year, a multitude of projects are given, ranging from simple screenwriting projects to large-scale horror projects.
The kids who go through the program are really prepared for whatever they choose.
It has helped me with people skills and how to manage my time wisely, so I think that can help with any job, basically.
They're always ahead of the curve. They have a good working knowledge of the equipment, the facilities, and things that are going on.
An ample amount of free time is given, allowing students to create and produce any film they desire. The A&M Consolidated High School Media Tech program features excellent equipment and amenities that provide valuable knowledge and experience to students. Among them, cameras such as the Canon XL2 and Canon XLH place young filmmakers on the right track to proper video production through their intricate technology and the development of the skills needed to operate these pieces of equipment. Broadcast news, a staple of Media Technology 1's curriculum, has taken a giant leap in quality due to the recent addition of a new tech TriCaster system, which helps ease students into this difficult field of video production. For post-production, no other software can compare to the complete Adobe Master Collection CS3, which is available to all students in this course. With powerful programs such as Premiere and After Effects, students can make their elaborate visions come to life. Advanced light kits are also available, allowing students to create dynamic shots.
Lighting can be used to evoke a lot of emotions and can set a feel for the film, and lighting can really sell it what you're trying to go for, or crappy lighting or just stuff that doesn't look the best can really ruin it, and it can go the complete opposite direction of what you're wanting.
This plethora of easily accessible equipment no doubt has a great effect on the students' education and their work.
In the Media Technology program, the kids work together a lot. They have to by necessity of what the program is. Whether they're producing a newscast together, working on videos together, they all have their own jobs and they rely on each other, they support each other. So through that, they develop good relationships and close relationships. They spend a lot of time together, and it's really after 3-4 years in this program sometimes, it's almost like a family. And the kids are there for each other, they learn from each other, they support each other. And I think that's another tremendous asset to a program like this.
You do get to know each other, and you kind of are strangers in a sense, and then you get to develop some sort of relationship with them. But in Media Tech 2, it kind of goes to the next level. I know that there are some people that I used to not hang around with so much or know that much about, but just going that extra step with them has been really cool. Friendships in Media Tech, I think, are really special, and you can gain friendships anywhere really, but the environment really helps you to get going, and especially with the projects that you're put into and the things that you're trying to accomplish. As a result, you just get these really awesome friendships, and you have a lot of fun, so much fun.
Our media technology program has all the elements needed for a successful education: professional tools that give hands-on experience, an engaging course structure to build one's knowledge, and talented, ambitious peers who might just become some of your closest friends.
Okay, so I would definitely encourage other people to go into this program with an open mind and see what it has to offer.